Hi, welcome back. Melissa Deely here, Integrative Health Practitioner, back for day 5 of my series on toxins. And today I want to talk to you about allowing your body to go into a state of autophagy or deep clean mode and why this is so important. So, our digestive system, a healthy digestive system, uses 30% of our energy every time we eat. So when we eat less, we have less energy going towards digestion and more energy going towards other things that we want to be doing or that our body needs to be doing. And one of those things is allowing the body to go into a state of deep clean. So today, for example, I'm doing a 1-day reset, and this is my shake, and I will have 4 of these shakes today, approximately 3.5 to 4 hours apart. They're basically a multivitamin on steroids. So my body is getting everything that it needs in this shake. Yes, I will feel a little bit of hunger, but at the same time, digestion really doesn't have to happen when it's already in a liquid format. And so this allows my body to go into a state of autophagy today and deep clean. So you probably are aware of that gurgling sound in your stomach. That is actually not a sign of hunger per se. What it means is that digestion has completely finished. So you have left enough time since your last meal for your body to completely finish digestion, and now your body is going into deep clean mode. Your small intestine wants to be really pure and clean. And so I think of them as having little cleaners inside your body that sweep through your intestinal tract to get anything out that was left behind in the process of digestion. But it can only do that when digestion is finished. So I actually celebrate hearing the gurgling sound in my stomach, not as a sign of hunger, but as a sign of the fact that my body is cleaning itself. And in our modern world, we tend to just mindlessly put food in our mouth all the time, reach for it. We're low energy. Our brain tells us, we're low energy, so we reach for coffee or we reach for food, snacks. And when we do that all the time, the body is constantly digesting and never has a chance to deep clean. So that's why, in addition to my 21-day detoxes or 7-day detoxes, whatever your toxic load score is, on the months that you're not actually detoxing, I do a 1-day reset every month. And when the body is going into autophagy, the purpose of it is that it's eating food is drawing energy away from healing, right? So we want that healing to take place. And in the state of autophagy, the body is, first of all, it is destroying our diseased tissue and taking it out of the body. Like, we don't want dead and diseased tissue inside our body. So this state of autophagy allows the body to release it. So it starts to clean up all the dead cells, all the damaged cells. They're all released. And then that triggers your body to make new cells, fresh, young cells. And in that process, those cells are going to function better. You're going to feel more energy and feel better overall. So autophagy helps with, getting rid of dead cells, getting rid of cancer cells. It's boosting your immune system. It's boosting your cardiovascular health. It's releasing infectious diseases that might be starting in your body. It's helping eliminate or not have fatty liver get started because it's supporting the liver in the detox process and allowing the liver to function more easily. It's helping reduce the chance of type 2 diabetes because when we're constantly eating all the time, our blood sugar levels are just up and down, up and down, up and down. And going into this state of autophagy allows that to flatten out. And it is also helping minimize the chance of neurodegenerative diseases, getting rid of all this dead stuff inside our body. So, and every meal creates metabolic waste. And when we stop eating for long enough, we have no new waste coming in, and the body has the chance to get rid of the waste that's in the body already and remove it. So allowing the body to go into a state of autophagy is actually really beneficial for your long-term health. And you don't need to do this every day, although for most people, having more time between meals, 3.5 to 4 hours is optimal, is a really good idea because it does allow a little bit of cleaning inside the body every single day. You also need to be thinking about the types of food that you're eating. So fatty foods really slow liver function. A high protein diet will make the body more sluggish and slow digestion because it has to work harder to break it down. And then again, if your digestive system is working harder, it's taking energy away from other things that you want to be doing. So I just wanted to introduce this concept to you because you may never have heard of it. I certainly hadn't before I did my integrative health practitioner training, but it is something that is really important for your energy today, your health today, but also your health tomorrow, as well as it's amazing how in just doing a 1-day reset can really impact how you feel. And there's the bonus of a little bit of weight loss that goes with it, because when we stop eating for a day and we get that toxic waste out, it affects our weight in a positive way. So what I did is way back when I did my first 21-day detox based on my toxic load score. And then every quarter I do a 7-day detox because those toxins keep coming in. So I want to keep them coming out or getting out. And then on the months when I'm not doing the 7-day detox, I do the 1-day reset. And in doing all of that, then I know that I'm really looking after my internal body, my internal organs well, and doing as much as I can to keep them functioning at an optimal level so that I have good energy, I have good mental clarity and focus, I sleep well, I feel awesome. And in fact, I'm 52. But now that I know all of this that I didn't know when I was 30, I honestly feel as good or better than I did back then. So when you start to be able to be proactive in your health and know what to do, you can actually turn back time. And I love that because I have a grandmother that lived to 101, and I want to live that long as well because I have so much that I want to do on this planet in my time here. And I want to be able to have quality of life like she did right to the end. Too many people in this day and age, they are living longer, but what is the quality of life for their last 5-10 years? If there is no quality of life, it's a struggle for you, it's a struggle for your family. And so it's really important to focus on your health now so that you have that quality of life later on. And one of the ways that we can do this that not very many people are talking about is detoxifying, helping support our liver because it's so critical to our overall health. And doing this on a regular basis because the toxins in our environment aren't going to go away. But if you keep ensuring that you're getting them out of your body, you don't have to worry as much about what might be coming in. If you know, you just accept it's coming in. There's nothing we can do to stop that, and then take action to get those toxins back out. So if you'd like to know more about this in my detox program that I run on a regular basis for people, as more and more people learn about the work that I'm doing and are interested in looking after their health, please reach out. My website is yourguidedhealthjourney.com. There's a work with me button at the top. You can click that to book a 30-minute complimentary call with me to discuss your health goals, how this might look for you, and how I can guide you through the program so it's not something that you just buy at a store, think you know what you're doing, it doesn't feel great, and you fall off. This is a guided program with a 100% success rate at getting you through the program when you engage with me throughout. So wishing you a wonderful week ahead. I'll be back in a couple days with my next video on my toxin series.